Hi viewers, it's a hi from Shanchan channel. It is a short video which I would like to present. It's an interesting video. You watch this video till the end and comment it later. Thank you. How many of us know the full form of our country, India? See, I for independent, N for nation, D for declared, I for in, A for August. Independent nation declared in August, so it is called India. Okay, that's not the thing. I am going to explain 11 categories of Indians. 11 types of Indians I am going to tell you. You have to check under which category you belongs to. Okay, as I told you, 11 types of Indians are there. Let me name it. Proud Indians, confused Indians, helpless Indians, perplexed Indians, courageous Indians, worried Indians, addicted Indians, arrogant Indians, panicked Indians, and the last one is suicidal Indians. Let me explain all the Indians one by one in detail. First comes proud Indians. Who is called proud Indians? Full vaccinated Indians are called proud Indians. Those who put vaccination, both the doses, they are called proud Indians. Second comes worried Indians. Those who put only one vaccine, doesn't off vaccine, they are called worried Indians. Third comes helpless Indians. Why they are called helpless, you know? Because neither put first nor put second. They are called helpless Indians. Fourth type of Indians are called confused Indians. Why they are called confused Indians, you know? Because they are confusing whether they can go for Covishield or Covaxin. They are called confused Indians. Comes perplexed Indians. Perplexed Indians are already they put two dosages, then too they got some infection. They are called perplexed Indians. Comes disappointed Indians. Why they got disappointment? Because they could not able to register in CoWIN, so that they are called disappointed Indians. Seventh comes courageous Indians. Those who go around without wearing mask and without keeping distance, they are called courageous Indians. Eighth comes arrogant Indians. Because they used to talk, they used to pass the comments like this. What is COVID? What is Corona? Nothing will affect me. Like that type of statement we used to hear from them. They are called arrogant Indians. Ninth comes addicted Indians. Whatever the problems comes, goes, they never mind. Always they will roam for the liquor. They are called addicted Indians. 10th type is panicked Indians, because those who keep wearing mask all the 24 hours, only at the time of taking food and drinking water alone they will be removing their mask. Even at the inside the home also they used to put mask. Those Indians are called panicked Indians. Last comes suicidal Indians. Those who keep visiting market, moving from one shop to another shop without wearing mask, without following any rules. They are called suicidal Indians. Out of all these 11 Indians, you check in which category you belongs to. My sincere advice is always try to be a proud Indian. That means put two dosage properly in your turn and be protective and fight against Corona. All together fight against Corona and send away this Corona from our country, India. Independent nation declared in August. I hope that you all like this video. Give your valuable comments so that it will help me to grow up well. Thank you viewers. Bye.